Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Samanita and this is my channel Makeup and Beauty. So recently Sugar Cosmetics ने launch किया है their makeup brushes and I grab all of them. So first let me show you how odd the packaging of all the brushes and how I kept all the brushes together. ये video करने से पहले I just kept all the brushes like so because I just wanted to unbox all the brushes in front of you all in this video. Let me first show you the brushes. तो आप देख सकते हो एक एक brushes comes up with a single packaging like so and this is how I kept all these brushes without opening because I just wanted to do it in this video. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं. So Sugar Cosmetics ने 13 makeup brushes launch किया है. All are available as a singles. You need to buy each and every brush as a single. They are not available as a set. Whereas I saw so many bloggers and YouTubers receive all these makeup brushes as a PR and they got all the brushes as a set with a makeup brush bag. So Sugar Cosmetics, whatever you are doing for your PR boxes, please do that to your customers also. I just wish Sugar Cosmetics see this video and just listen to what their customer had to say. So Sugar Cosmetics has launched totally 13 makeup brushes and I grab all of them and just for review purpose. Otherwise in this makeup brush range there are few brushes that can be used in a multiple way and that's why if you buy those brushes you don't need to buy all of them. So this is a small con that I love to share with you all that I really don't like about Sugar Cosmetics. It is very good that you are selling all these brushes as a single like any other brands do, but do provide all these brushes as a set with a makeup pouch so that it is easy to keep all these makeup brushes at one go because I have so many makeup brushes in my stash. So sometimes I just want to do some video on a certain brand of makeup brush but ये हो नहीं पाता. It only because that all my brushes get mixed up in that stash. So right now I really like to keep all my makeup brushes of same brand in a makeup pouch. So I just wish Sugar Cosmetics comes up with makeup pouch also so that I can keep all the brushes all together if I like them. Let me tell you, I haven't used these makeup brushes till now because I'm yet to open these brushes. So now it's time to open the brushes. So before I open all these makeup brushes and show you all the brushes in a makeup tutorial, let me talk a little bit regarding the packaging. Okay, as you can see, the packaging of each brush comes up like this. The name of the brush has already been written here, as you can see, and the price and the date of manufacture, everything is at the back of this brush packaging, as you can see. All you need to open this makeup brush. So I am just opening this brush. This is actually a dual-ended face brush which has powder and foundation dual-ended brush. Okay, now let's open this. Can you just see the packaging have no outline? I mean, you need a scissor or you need to forcefully open this packaging. I really hate this. They should have one outline through which a person will open this packaging. So I am filled with hand, so I am using scissor to cut this packaging. I really don't like to open packaging of anything regarding makeup like this because it means that destroying of the entire packaging. Can you just see? It just destroyed the entire packaging. I don't like it. I really don't like it. Anyway, so this is how the brush comes up. Can you just see? I really like how it comes up because it comes up with this brush guard. But if I open this brush guard, I don't know how to put it back. Anyways, I am just opening it. So these are the brush guard and this is how the brush look like. Wow. I must tell you the brush bristles are very soft and the packaging, can you just see? I really like it. It is very sturdy. Yes, very sturdy. Definitely the brushes bristles are soft and now it's time to open all the brushes and I will be back within a second after opening all the packaging of all the brushes. So this is how the packaging of the brush look like. I really like it. It has the name Sugar in it and also the name of the brush is written at the back of this brush body. So I really like it. I mean, you don't need to remember which brush is for what. You can see the name from here and you can just decide what to do with that brush. The packaging is definitely very sleek. The bristles are very soft and they are definitely not scratchy at all. Okay, so this one is for foundation because it is look like a buffing kind of side of a brush, and this one is the powder brush. All the brushes are now with me. Let me tell you one good thing about these brushes. Can you just see, all the brushes comes up with brush guard, which I really like it. If you keep this brush guard, it will help to keep the shape of the brush intact for longer period. So I really like that each brush comes up with a brush guard, whereas in PAC Cosmetics you need to buy this brush guard separately for your brushes. So I am happy at least Sugar provided brush guard for each and every brushes. While opening this packaging, all I just felt, you don't need all the makeup brushes at one go because there are few brushes you can use it in a multiple way. I just bought all of them is just for the review purpose and also for my makeup kit for my bride. So yes, these are all the brushes. Now let me show you all the brushes one by one, because in this video I'm going to talk about only these makeup brushes, and I will do a separate makeup video using all these makeup brushes in a separate video. So moving on to the next brush. The next brush is Blend Tint Face Brush, and this is how the face brush look like. Okay, now few of the brushes have the packaging still here. I don't know how it gets stick with this brush, but anyways I will remove it later. So this is the Blend Tint Face Brush 001. You can use it to set your base with this brush, and yes, all the price of each brushes will be mentioned in the description box below in case you want to check. Moving on to the second brush randomly. The second brush is Blend Tint Eyeshadow Brush. It is round XL and number is 043. It is basically a small blending brush, as you can see. The next brush that I'm holding is the foundation brush, as you can see, and this is named as Blend Tint Foundation Brush 051. It is a flat brush. The next brush is Blend Tint Eyeshadow Brush 042. It is also a round brush. Again, it is a blending brush, I would say. Okay, so this is actually, both of them are almost same. The bristle of this brush is little bit small, whereas the bristle of this one is little bit long. So यही मैं कह रही थी कि you don't need both of these brushes, you can have any one of them, and both of them work almost similar. Moving on to the next brush, which is named as Face Brush 003. This is actually a contour brush. If you see it carefully, it is used to contour your face, or you can contour at the bridge of your nose, and this is the purpose of this brush. The next brush I am holding is eyeshadow brush. It is a flat eyeshadow brush. It is actually a small eyeshadow brush. You can apply eyeshadow on your entire lid and also at the tear duct area with this small eyeshadow brush. So you can use this brush in a multiple way. Moving on to the next brush, which is also named as Face Brush. It is actually a concealer brush that is also mentioned at the bottom of this brush. So this is a concealer brush. This brush is basically good to apply concealer on your under eye area. Moving on to the next brush, it is actually a dual ended brush, which is an eyeshadow brush. One side is flat and the other side is round. So like the blending brush, you can have either of them, and in this two brush you can have either of them. This is a flat single eyeshadow brush, whereas this one is a dual sided brush which have one flat end and one round end. So the thing is, if you grab this brush, you don't need all the three of this. Moving on to the next brush. The next brush is named as, it is also a face brush, but this one is a highlighter brush. I am just showing the difference between three brush. This one is used for contouring. This one is used to set your powder on your face, on those areas where big powder brush can't reach. It is for detailing purpose, and this one is highlighter brush. Moving on to the next two brush. The next two brush, one is this dual ended foundation brush that I have already showed you. This one is for liquid foundation, whereas this side is for powder. So if you have this dual ended brush, you don't need this brush. This one is also a foundation brush. It is a kabuki brush, and this is a buffer brush. The work of both of these brushes are almost same. So if you having this one, you don't need this one. I'm showing you from here so that you can see there is no difference at all. The kabuki is little bit wider in size, the buffing is a little bit on the sleeker side, but both of them are almost same. Moving on to the 13th makeup brush, and that is this dual eyeshadow brush, which is number 413. Again, it is a flat tip eyeshadow brush on one side and a small blending brush on other side. So these two brushes are almost similar, if you can see. The only difference is this one is a flat eyeshadow brush, whereas the tip of this eyeshadow brush is little bit on the tapered. The blending side is almost same. This one is little bit on the spreading way, and this is like a slick one. So you can have either one of them or you can have two of them. Basically, these are actually need for professional makeup artists who actually do some eye makeup in detailing. So yes, these are all about these brushes. The brush bristles are definitely soft, all of them. The packaging is quite sturdy, and I really like the black packaging of each and every brush. Now I need to see how much dart attract by this brush body, because most of my black brushes attract dust a lot, but I don't know, I need to check on that. Otherwise, I would say that these are pretty decent brushes. If you are a professional makeup artist, then I don't think you need these brushes, because these are actually good for people who are beginners. This is my first impression kind of review. I am definitely going to try each and every brush in my next makeup tutorial, and I will tell you more details regarding these brushes. Till then, that's all for today, and that is all about Sugar Cosmetics makeup brushes. And wow, a pretty big detailed review. I hope you like this video and find it helpful, and do comment in the comment section and let me know your thoughts regarding this video. I am signing off with a promise to be back in another video pretty soon. Until then, stay beautiful and stay stylish. Bye.